Okay, you guys, welcome to today's video. I just got a surprise in the mail. It's Emmy's Christmas present from our friend, KitNipBox. So sweet, and it's later than I normally film, and I was gonna wait until tomorrow, but I feel like that's depriving Emmy of her gifts, which you can clearly see is in the box. So KitNipBox is clearly a cat subscription. I've gotten this years ago in the past, and I know it has like catnip treats and toys in it. I will link them down below. I don't know offhand the exact price of the box since I just got this in the mail, but we're gonna open it now. I'll leave that information in the description box. And let's get this open. I have the box upright because it has a name on it, plus my information's on the other side. Emmy, you know it's for you, don't you? Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Are you so happy? Okay. Oh. So right inside, let's see if we can, is it all in frame? When I used to open this Archer, he's a little aggressive. Emmy's a little bit more gentle. Let's see how she acts. So it says, thank you, KitNipBox. We hope you enjoy your Merry Christmas themed KitNipBox. A portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. I love that. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. And then what's in your box? Wow, it looks like there's like 6 things or 7 things. You ready, Emmy? Wow, what is in there, Emmy? You can do the first impressions before. Get down. I can't see what you can see on the camera, but okay, the first thing here, we have Catmas Candy, old catnip filling. Makes this toy extra sweet. This is by Our Squad Pet Toys. Emmy, what do you think about this? Make sure all the little thingies are out of there. Yeah. Emmy, here's your toy. So on here, it looks like it lists descriptions and pricing. So let's see, where is this? The All Nip Catmas Candy, $4. The holiday's not complete without some tasty treats. Well, it isn't actually sweet to the taste. This kitty candy has a catnip filling and faux feathers that no kitty can resist. Oh, it looks like you want this one, Emmy. Should we open it? Let's show everyone. This is the Merry Catmas Mouse by Leap Pet Products. Let's get this off for Emmy. Is this the one you want the most, Emmy? There's so many toys here for you. I won't go through the description of all of them. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, but this is by Happy Cat, the Chimney Kicker. So cute. Emmy, now you want that one. You just want what's in the box. Oh, and now you like the paper. You are so sweet. I hope you're enjoying. And then this toy is the Safe Made Rowdy Reindeer, 100% catnip filled. Look at this little reindeer. Is this the one you like now? So you have 4 toys here, but there's one more. Wait, wow, this is a lot of toys. It looks like we have 6 toys and then some treats. Oh my god, this is Call for a Naughty Kitty. This is actually by KitNipBox. That's so funny. Here's some call, Emmy. That's all you get. Just kidding. Look at all these treats. You are so spoiled. Oh, this is so sweet. And then the last toy in here, adorable. A snowflake dangler cat toy. Easily hangs on any size door frame. Bounces and swings to mimic natural prey. Safety bell entices cats to play. Emmy. So you can see you hang it in the doorwell and it hangs down. That's so cute. And it's like a little snowflake. Oops, sorry. I don't know if you can see. So you hang it up there somehow. I'll be able to, oh, it's a clip, so I'll be able to do it. Oh, it's like this. Okay. So I'll put that on my door. I'll have to put that on a story on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, Kitty's Boxes, I'll post that for sure. And then we have a treat here by Wellness Kittles Tasty Crunchy Cat Treats. Salmon and cranberry recipe. There's over 150 treats in this bag. You want the coal? Are you admitting that you're a bad cat? Here, let's get this off for you. There you go. She's admitting she's been a naughty girl. You want your coal? Salmon and cranberry recipe. So this is made with real salmon, and it's the #1 ingredient. Irresistible taste, under 2 calories per treat, grain-free. Aw, and it comes in the little cute shapes of a flower, a heart, and a star. It says, finally, a crunchy cat treat that is as tasty as it is healthy. Each all-natural bite is packed with big taste from whole food ingredients like salmon, cranberries, and blueberries with nothing artificial, and are 2 calories each. Okay, she does this thing. Is she on? I hope she's on. Yeah, it looks like she's humping, but I don't think she is. I mean, she's straight. Do you want a treat? It's like she likes to just put her prey underneath her. Do you want a treat, baby girl? You want a treat? Or you just, she's like, I'm not hiding anything underneath me. You want a treat? What's the service? Oh, want it? Good girl. You like it? I think that's a yes. She's a little more gentle with her feeding than her toys, apparently. But that was so cute, you guys. I'm gonna stand. I want to have one more treat for being a good girl. Here, I'm gonna show everyone how good you are. There you go, good girl. So good. Oh my god, you guys, this was so fun to open with her. I think you can see that she clearly enjoys the toys. It's like everyone that came up next, she wanted more than the others. So that's a lot of toys. Okay, back in the day, I know it was like $19.99, but I don't know. I think there's multiple plans. Again, this was a gift, so thank you so much, Travis, for sending Emmy this gift. Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Oh, you want one more? Okay, just for being so cute and good since it's Christmas. Here's your little time treat. Here you go. And then I'll go with the camera after I say bye. Thanks for watching, and say thank you, Travis, for your present. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. If you guys have a cat you want a gift, or a cat lady who has cats, this is, even though this is all for Emmy, this is truly enjoyable for me to see her so happy. And look, she's even more interested in toys right now than the treats. Oh, where are you going? You don't want these treats? You want a treat? You got a little overwhelmed? But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you, Travis. Thank you guys for watching. We got a lot of stuff from what I remember, $19.99. I'll leave it down below, the link and everything. 6 treats and some tasty, crunchy cat treats that are like pretty, it looks like it's a good recipe. Nothing like artificial and icky, which is good because I monitor that with Emmy now. But yeah, that was super fun for me. I think I like trailed off on what I was saying before. This would be good for someone to gift who has cats, like that you don't know what they would want, like, because it truly is a joy to watch your cat be so happy and open a box with you. But yeah, thank you again. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye. I love you.